Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have a cooking vlog for you. This is what I did for Mother's Day dinner. Yes, it's late, but I hope you will enjoy it anyway. I did some double baked potato, baked mac and cheese, steak, and crispy fried chicken breast. So if you want to see how, just keep on watching. So my Mother's Day start off with a breakfast basket that I received from my Kerosene mother. Yes, big up yourself, mama. Yes, it was full with lot of goodies. It was there even for brunch. It contained a lot of Antillean snacks and it was worth it. And I did enjoy it. And we even get a small salad, we get yogurt, we get oatmeal, we get Johnny cake stuffed with cheese, we get pastage, we get croquette, we get boiled egg, we get a coconut bun. This was full of goodies, I tell you guys, and if I didn't want to prepare dinner, I wouldn't have to because it even have salad. So now we're moving on to my gift that I received from my son. This is so beautiful. Yes, this is his gift that he made at school, and this is from one of my girlfriend. Thank you, Jay. Yes, I really enjoyed my day. I wanted to go out, but then I changed my mind, so I stay in and prepare my dinner. So I'll catch you when it's time to prep my dinner. So this is my breakfast, well shared out. Yes, and now I'm starting dinner. I have some macaroni already cooked. I'm going to bake mac and cheese, and the instruction or just a preview of what I did will be on the screen. So do continue watching, guys, and I'll catch you when I'm preparing another item for my dinner. Moving on, guys, our baked mac and cheese completely done. Now we're moving on to some double baked potato. These I bake them for 45 minutes. If they are bigger, then you have to leave them for an hour. And here I'm just removing the inner portion, and the ice cream scoop did the job for me. And I'm just going to smash that together, add my sour cream, my garlic powder, a bit of salt, and more cheese, and fill my potato shells, top with more cheese, and put in the oven or the air fryer. I'm using the air fryer. So Just keep on watching. Here I have another item done, my double baked potato, yes. Moving on to my crispy fried chicken breast. I already add my seasonings of choice. And to my flour, the seasoning I'll use will be on the screen. And I'm just going to mix that together. My oil already eaten up, and I'm just going to fry these until they are crispy on both sides and done. Then remove from oil, place in a plate lined with paper towel, and continue frying the others. So keep on watching, guys. I'll catch you when it's time to prepare our steak. Okay guys, chicken out of the way. Now it's our steak, and it's already seasoned, and I'm just going to allow my pot to heat up. And this is the grease I'll be using, it's special for steak. Or you can just add a little bit of oil and some butter and sear your steak, okay? And I'm going to allow this to heat up properly. Then I add my steak pieces, and I'm going to do this 4 minutes, 2 minutes on each side, then I allow it to rest. So catch you at the end of the video, guys. I'm going to prep some corn and cob and broccoli off camera. So catch you at the end of the video. Please continue watching, guys. So as you see, guys, we have prepped all the contents for this dinner. Yes. And now we're going to put dinner together. So if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. Turn your notification bell on so you will get notified when I have a new upload. And here is dinner, guys. Tell me in the comment section, how does this dinner look? Yes. And I serve it with a side of corn and cob and some steamed broccoli. And it was very delicious. And I have a side of gravy to eat with my double baked potato. It was very delicious. So if you enjoy this one, guys, please like, share, comment, and keep the support going, guys. So until next time, thank you guys for all the support. So stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.